What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm begins to work in my favor and I get blessed by the YouTube gods. So today we've got a collab beat that I finished up with another producer that I found on YouTube. He actually found me and reached out to me. I liked his style. He liked mine. His name is Perp Tokyo. I'll leave his information in the description, and then I got his name somewhere over here on the screen. And yeah, so he sent me a pretty nice collab. He did all the melodies. I did some tweaks to one or two of the melodies, and then I replaced like one sound, and that's it. But I did the drums, and we made something really fire. So, and as always, if you guys stick around to the end, I'll go through the midis, I'll go through the VSTs that we used, and all the sounds, and let you guys see exactly how this beat breaks down. But let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio and get started. All right, guys, we are in FL Studio. So I'm gonna go ahead and mute all these sounds here, and we will run through each sound. So the first sound I got is a synth, and this is one of the sounds that he created and one of the VSTs he used. So we'll go ahead and play that. Let's see what we got. All right, pretty simple, nice and melodic. I know in that one I changed one or two of the notes, and we'll go over that in the end. Let's go ahead and go to the next sound, which is a bell, and let's layer these two together. This is what we got. Pretty nice ambient melodic sound. He sent me a great collab, because the way that I like to receive my collabs are always in this type of format where everything's all in one pattern or one channel rack. He gave me all the melodies and left me free for the drums. Sometimes some people will do a few melodies and do a few drums. Either which way is fine, but just put it all together like this. I hate when people send me like a fully done beat and it's like, well, you know, I have to delete stuff to be able to add stuff, and I don't really like doing that. It's kind of like, you know, changing up the beat and whatnot. So let's hop into the third sound. So here's that third sound. All right. Then we got our fourth sound. Our fifth sound, which is a piano. Added like one little extra note in there just to make it a little bit different. And then this is the sound that I completely replaced. He actually had something different, and I just replaced this actual sound, but the pattern's the same, and I kind of tweaked it a little bit, but that's about it. And these are all the melodies together. Pretty ambient, very melodic, man. Something that you could really make some cool, you know, vibes to. So this is what I added. These are all the drums here, and I'm gonna let you just hear all the drums all at one time. Definitely got a nice little bounce to it and everything like that. And so now that we've played everything all the way through, let's go ahead and hop into the actual song mode, and we'll play this beat all the way through. So if you guys haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. I know a couple of you guys are probably going to dip on out after this part, but you guys that stick around for the whole entire tutorial, we will be hopping into the full, you know, breakdown of showing you the VSTs and all that stuff right after we play this beat. So let's go ahead and take a listen to this beat.
This is a line beat.
right, guys, and so that's how the beat came out. You know, it's a pretty nice little collab, very ambient, very melodic, pretty hard beat. Definitely has that bass slapping and everything like that. So hopefully you guys learned something from this, or picked up some, gems, or just enjoyed it entertainment wise. So let's go ahead and hop into the full breakdown for you guys that like to stick around and get all the sauce. So as always, I'm just gonna run through everything one by one and let you guys take a listen so you can hear everything. So let's go ahead and start with this. Switch it over to pattern mode. Boom. Mute everything except for the first one. And let's go ahead and hop into it. Guys, that's it. Pretty simple, easy breakdown. The really nice beat that we were able to put together is pretty dope collab. We'll definitely be getting some more done in the future. Again, follow Perp Tokyo on all his social medias. I got his @name somewhere on the screen, and follow him on or subscribe to him on his YouTube channel as well. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Man, let me know in the comment section who you guys think you can hear on this, or who you'd like to hear on it, or whatever the case may be. If you haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll be back next week with another tutorial, whether it be a tutorial, cook up, some engineering stuff, whatever the case is. I want to keep growing and expanding with the content that I'm giving you guys, and give you guys as much information as I possibly can, just to kind of help you out and just make this channel the channel that I wish I had whenever I was a beginning producer, intermediate producer, and now advanced producer. So, oops. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll be back next week. Peace.